Lamprey, gotta let it go. First cast, Westville River. Nice smallmouth bass. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Looks like a slot fish. That looks about 30. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's perfect slot size right there. You know what it is? Because they're fresh right now. They're fresh out the ocean, so they're strong. Nice.
Oh, I know I got an eyeball.
That's a nice slot. Hurry!
His foot stuck.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, man. Shit. That's probably about 35 actually.
Yeah. It's massive. Okay, I'm gonna land this. Put this thing.
Let some line out.
Yeah.
You don't have to check your line.
Yeah, I got him an eyeball.
Yeah, boy.
Wow, that's a fat one too.
Oh yeah. Looks like you can see some sea lice on it too. What you got for his blood?
Sorry, my eyeball. I feel so bad.
Nice fish, man. Nice fish.
Put a measure. Yeah. I'm hooking myself again over here. Oh, I don't get snagged with a freaking oar. Alright, we got what I'm taking to do.
Fuck. Well, we both got him.
Hey, you no longer, what's that word?
Cursed.
Cursed. That's a nice little shad there. American shad, I believe. Shad number 2. It's an outsized, not bad. Shad number 3. It's a good size shad. Oh, don't hook me. There you go, a little blood. Yeah, hook on a lot of shad tonight. Where you go? No. I just want a picture. Come on. I'll go back in the water. What? I'm talking to myself. Shad number 4. Tonight, I'm only getting shads. My friend lost like 5 stripers and he landed 1, 29 inches. Hopefully I get better luck tonight. Alright, I gotta get the fish back in the water. Another shad. Make it number 5. Beautiful shad, is dirty. Okay, time to put him back in the water. Beautiful shad. It's good size. Yeah. All right. Time for you to put you back in the water, huh? Shad number 1 tonight. Hey, stop going. I'm throwing you back in the... Uh-oh. Where you going? Yeah, you're nice and dirty now. Shad number 2. This is a good sized shad. Beautiful. Shad number 3 on Friday night. It's a nice shad. Shad number 4. This is a big shad. Huge. One of the biggest I ever landed. But usually I lose them a lot. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Made 2.5 pound. Maybe 3. I don't know. I never weighed shad before. Wow. A lot of big one I caught. I hooked on and keep coming off. I couldn't pull it up. Look at that shad. It hit my lures. It's like, I'm not sure how many shad so far that ever hit my lures. Look at that. Right in the mouth and in the eyes. Wow. Oh, no way. Chris got a striper? You got to videotape him, man. Shad number 5. Friday night. Little guy. Nice shad. Number 6 shad tonight. Caught up quite a bit. Shad 2. Yep. Yeah, it's getting a little dirty though. You can see the color. The first striper for the night. Beautiful. Second striper tonight. This is a 28-inch. Same thing as the first one I caught. Beautiful striper. Yeah, you could go back in. I don't know. Want to go back in the water? You sure? Okay. You could go back in. First shad of the night. Little bloody. It's average size. What's today? Wednesday night? No stripers so far. Shad number 2. Keep losing a lot of shad tonight. There you go. It's the size. It's getting dirty. Shad number 2, number Friday night. I didn't get a chance to take a picture. Came off the hook and roll off the bank. It's good size. Shad number 3. It's a big shad. Really big. Yeah. Another beautiful shad. It's the 3rd, 4th one tonight? I can't remember. Maybe the 3rd. I lost track. This is a good size too. Really good size. Heavy. Shad number 4, number 5. I lost track. I don't remember. Oh, you're getting all dirty, man. What are you doing? Gotta throw you back in the water. Shad number 5 or number 6. I lost track. Little guy. Cute. Alright, gotta throw him back in the water soon. You know, stress him out. Make more babies. Another big shad. Number 6 or 7. I can't remember anymore. Oh my god, I'm gonna smell like shad. There, yeah. Getting all dirty. Gotta put him back in the water. Wow, this shad is huge. Look at my feet size. Probably one of the biggest I ever caught. This is like freaking 3.5 pounds or bigger. This thing is so strong, this shad. My shoes, my pants smell like shad so bad, it stink. Alright, time to put this one back in the water. Oh, this thing is humongous. It's beautiful. First shad of the night. What today's date? What today's? Tuesday night? Monday night. Monday night. Today I took the day off. Today swap come fishing. I brought my mom, my sister-in-law to an appointment today. Shad number 2. Oh, stay still. Another little guy. Cute. First striper of the night on Monday. 31 inches. It's a keeper. Wow. Beautiful. Here's my feet. Yeah. Carlos' feet. Shad number 3. There you go. Right in the water. Go on, buddy. A little more. Alright, Bill, give me a hand. There you go. Friday night. First shad. Big one too. Look at that size. Beautiful. 3.5 pound maybe. They're dirty. Alright, I'm gonna put it back in the water. Hold on. First shad night, Saturday night. Beautiful. Not super big, but medium size. Beautiful color. Silver. First shad of the night. I don't think I was gonna come fishing today, but Carl said, "Oh, I'm going fishing." So alright, I'll come a couple hours. Shad number 2. It's a good size shad. Oh, you wanna go back in the water, don't you? Oh, stop kicking sand in my face. It's got in my eyes. Oh, shad number 3. Another guy, but not too bad. Shoot. Alright, give me a second, I'll throw you back in. First shad of the night. Very slow tonight. Keep losing shad. No stripers. Not bad for one night. Oh, first striper of the night. I lost one earlier. Came right off real fast. It's not bad tonight. I'm not skunk. One striper, one shad. I thought it could be skunk tonight. Guess not. First shad Thursday night. Oh, you ready to go back? Let me take some picture first before I throw it back in. There you go. There you are. It's not bad. It's average size. Look at that shad. Good size. Oh, you go back into the water. Oh. Where you going? Where you going?
Look at this one right here. Look at. Yeah, shit.
First striper tonight. Saturday night, 29 inches. It's about time. It's getting very slow. The water river's so low right now. Woo! So happy. Nice. Our friend fishing the opposite side river as me. Striper number 2. Different river. Been about, I don't know, half an hour or so. First one of the night. It's Thursday night. I lost one earlier. Look at the guy. Time to throw him back in the water. First shad tonight. It's good size, long. Very long shad. Beautiful. Wow. Second shad tonight. This is a big shad. Wow. Maybe 3.5 pounds or so. This is the second one tonight. Wow. Shad number 3. Thursday night. It's good size. It's a very big shad. Shad number 4. It's good size shad. Look at that.
Lamprey.
Second lamprey you hooked onto. Wow. It's a big one too.
It's tangled.
Yeah, you gotta put it back in the water though.
The lamprey is still
35, 36 inch golden pike. I landed and it fell back in the water. I recast it again, rehooked it back up. By accident, I hooked them again. Wow. First pike this year. First striper of the night. Wednesday night. It missed my lure at first. Then I throw it back and bang. I think it's on 27, 28. Beautiful fish. There's northern pikes right there. Yeah, first ever night is Wednesday. It missed my lure near the bank, so I throw it back in and it hits it. About 27, 28 inches. Beautiful fish. Wednesday night, first shad of the night. I'm surprised I got shad tonight. So far, one northern pike, one striper, one shad. Not bad, beautiful little one. Not real big though. Maybe we'll save that for bait. I don't know, maybe I'll throw them back in.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Just remember to delete that part. All right, so the public health advisor in Connecticut River says children under 12 and people who are nursing, pregnant, or may become pregnant do not eat any fish. Then it says other people do not eat American eel, channel catfish, white catfish, yellow perch, limit other species to 2 meals a month.
How the fuck are you supposed to know what color, which catfish is which? Flathead, white, blue, channels.
Because the white catfish has a good credit score.